Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. It's cold season. People around are coughing. It's so popular. And in this video, I'll show you 3 herbs that's been proved to help suppress coughing and also demonstrate you how to use them. And hopefully this can give you some information to help you go through this uncomfortable time. This video is intended to show you some scientific research about the herbs and the benefits to suppress coughing. It's not intended for the treatment, so you gotta use the information on your own, and I highly recommend you to consult your doctor for treating your actual illness. Cough is a common symptom of many diseases. It can come from a common cold or flu due to infection by virus and bacteria, or from allergies due to exposure to smoke or other allergens. There are acute and chronic coughs. Acute cough can last around 3 weeks, and a chronic cough can go longer than 8 weeks. For the cough from infection, thyme is a herb used to treat respiratory disease thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral effects. Thyme leaves contain the flavonoids. It can help relax the throat muscle and lessen the inflammation, and these lead to the less coughing and improved comfortness. There was a study researched the treatment of cough by using the thyme and the ivy leaf extract with 730 participants. During the average of 7 days of treatments, there are over 90% of the participants feel good or very good. Within them, over half of the participants feel very good. That means they feel they are fully recovered or significantly improved from the coughing. To use the thyme is easy. The first way is just making a thyme tea by mixing 2 teaspoons of thyme leaf. Crushed dry will be the better, and soak in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. And waiting for it to have a good extraction and drink the tea. And the second way I have presented you last time to make a thyme syrup by doing the precaution of the thyme and mix it with the sugar to make it a syrup. Peppermint is another herb to help reduce coughing. Menthol is a major compound within the peppermint, and it can reach up to 50% within peppermint essential oil. Menthol soothes the throat, acts as decongestant, and help break down mucus. A study with 20 participants proved the benefits of using menthol to reduce coughing. Compared with placebo and pine oil, menthol has a significant effect to quickly reduce cough. However, after 6 hours, the peppermint lost its function. Therefore, peppermint may be used for quick treat of the cough for a short period of time. There are 2 ways to use the peppermint. The one way is add peppermint essential oil into the diffuser and breathe in the air containing the peppermint essential oil. The other way is to drink the peppermint tea. Add 1 teaspoon of a peppermint leaf mixed with a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes before drink it. Turmeric is the 3rd herb talked about in this video. The phytochemicals within the turmeric including turmerons, curcumin, curcuminoids, and tetrahydrocurcumin has anti-asthmatic effects. The nutrients within the turmeric help put down the cough, especially dry cough. There are 3 ways to use the turmeric. The first one, make a turmeric tea. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of black pepper or carom seed. Add into a cup of water, boil down to half cup, drink every day until the condition getting better. The second way is make a turmeric gargle. In 1 cup of hot boiling water, add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a half teaspoon of table salt. Mix well and rinse mouth every day. And the third way is just directly take the turmeric powder mixed with honey, and this can help as well. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something about cough and herbs. Please let me know your questions and comments. This is Dr. Leo at LeTime. See you next time.